Klover is an app that lets you get an instant cash advance on your paycheck with no interest. This can help you pay for things until you get paid again. But in order to use Klover, you have to connect the app to your bank account and verify information about your paycheck. And there are fees for getting cash quickly. About the Klover app, what you need to know. Klover is an app that was started in 2019 that can give you cash to help you get by until your next paycheck. There is no credit check. The app puts you in touch with financial products and services by using the information you give it. To use Klover, all you have to do is download the app from the Apple Store or Google Play Store, verify your paycheck information, and link Klover to your bank account. Here are a few things you should know if you want to use the Klover app to make some extra cash between paychecks. Can I get a loan before my next paycheck? Klover gives you a cash advance on your paycheck, but you may have to wait up to 3 business days to get the money if you want to avoid fees. If you need cash faster, you can get it in less than 24 hours if you pay an express fee based on how much money you want to send. No interest charges. You won't pay any interest when you use the Klover app to get a cash advance. This is great news because traditional personal loans typically come with interest charges that increase the overall cost of borrowing. Potential lack of personal and financial privacy. Klover states your personal data is encrypted and won't be sold. But to use the app, you must allow Klover to access personal financial information, such as your account transaction history and balance information. Depending on the services you use, your media behavior and mobile device data could also be fair game for Klover to collect and share. While Klover uses information it gathers from users, the company says it does not sell personally identifiable data. A closer look at the Klover app. Here are a few more things to know if you're thinking about using the Klover app. $100 limit. Cash advances are available anytime, but you can only borrow up to $100. Paycheck verification required. In order to use Klover, you'll need to verify your paycheck and also show proof of at least 3 paychecks being direct deposited into your account by the same employer over the preceding 2 months. Rewards. You can earn rewards points to put toward getting some extra cash or to enter a sweepstakes. To earn points, you can scan receipts, answer questions, or watch video ads. Financial dashboard. Klover's financial dashboard may be able to help keep tabs on your spending habits since it shows your top spending categories, trends, and areas where you might be overspending. 1 account per user. Klover only allows 1 account per user. This means you can't share it with someone else. Extra fees. The app may charge extra fees for premium services, such as express cash transfers. Who is the Klover app good for? If you earn a regular paycheck and need a small cash advance every once in a while to help cover monthly expenses, the Klover app may be a good option. With no interest on the money you borrow and the ability to get cash quickly, it could be a more affordable alternative to riskier same-day loans like payday loans and title loans. Klover might come in handy in a pinch, but if you find that you're using it often, you'll want to review your finances or come up with another solution. How to apply with Klover. To sign up for Klover, you'll need to download the app onto your mobile device and then follow the prompts to create your account. You can expect to have to share some personal and financial info, including the following: email address, phone number, banking credentials. Klover will also ask you to confirm that your bank account is at least 2 months old, that your paycheck is direct deposited into that account, and that your paycheck is at least $250. You'll need to show that you've received at least 3 paychecks from the same employer, with no gaps in pay between them. The Klover Pro and Cons. Pros: cash advances before payday. No credit check. No interest charges. Cons: must share personal and financial info. Must link to a bank account. Fees for expedited cash advances.